Hi guys, this is Sarah V from ChainEX. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we would like to show you step by step how to make a ZAR deposit using ChainEX. First you'll need to sign into your ChainEX account. You can do so by heading to chainex.io/login. Once you have signed in, navigate to the balance page. You can do this by clicking balances on the top of ChainEX. Do take note that there are two possible ways to make a ZAR deposit using ChainEX. You can click deposit on the quick buy sell ZAR card on the top over here, which will navigate you to the ZAR deposits page. If you take a look over here, you can see a list of the digital and fiat currencies listed on ChainEX. Over here you can see ZAR. To navigate to the ZAR deposits page, you'll need to click on this little icon over here, the Bitcoin with the arrow pointing down. Please note that if you do not see ZAR on your balances page, or the ZAR market is just not available to you, it could be one of two reasons. Number 1. You have not yet verified your ChainEX account. You need to verify your account to at least profile verification level 1. If you're not sure how to do this, please take a look at one of our previous videos, how to verify your account to profile verification level 1. You can find the link on this video in the description. Number 2. You have verified your account but have used details that are not from South Africa, causing the ZAR market to be blocked to you. If you have verified your account with foreign details but you live in South Africa or have a South African bank account that is in your name, then you can contact the ChainEX support team here and they will be more than happy to assist you. You can find the link to the support portal in the description. So let's navigate to the ZAR deposits page. Remember, you can do so by either clicking the little icon over here or by clicking on deposits over here. On the ZAR deposit page, you will find all the required information you need to make ZAR deposits. Please take note of your unique deposit reference over here. This is very important. This is required to ensure that your ZAR deposit is correctly allocated to your ChainEX account as quickly as possible. Next, you'll need to navigate and log into your local online banking account. On your online banking account, by using the ChainEX deposit details provided, create an EFT. Please make sure that the details entered are 100% correct. ChainEX will not be held responsible for any deposits made to any incorrect accounts. Once you have completed the EFT process and you made your deposit may take up to 2 business days to reflect into your ChainEX account. And there you go, how to make a ZAR deposit with ChainEX. Before you go, you're probably enjoying your ChainEX experience, right? So much so that you can't help but tell your friends about it? Did you know you could get paid just for telling your friends about ChainEX? If you head over to the referrals page over here, you can find your unique personal referral link. If your friend signs up to ChainEX using your link, you'll get paid a percentage of the trading fees every single time they make a trade. It's a win-win situation for everyone. Thanks guys for watching our tutorial video. If you liked this tutorial video, smash the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up and please feel free to comment below. See you guys in the next one. Bye!